19M3 fire control.
19M3, go ahead.
Old Beattie and... hang on. Old Beattie and Bartz, bicycle or motorcycle in the ditch.
10-4. Old Beattie and Bartz for a motorcyclist in the ditch. Are you out with him?
Yes, I currently am.
10-4. Is he conscious, alert, or what is his status?
He's up, conscious and alert.
10-4. Do you want EMS for him?
10-4.
10-4. Niagara County Fire Control to Rapids. You requested at Old Beattie and Bartz Road for a motorcyclist in the ditch. Patient is conscious and alert at this time. Your 19M3 is on location. BLS priority response is recommended at this time. Your incident will be on FD Tech 2 on scene. Repeating to Rapids. Your equipment requested for a motor vehicle accident, Old Beattie at Bartz. Your 19M3 on location with a motorcyclist in the ditch. Patient is conscious and alert, requesting EMS. BLS priority response is recommended. At this time, your incident will be on FD Tech 2 on scene.